The right workspace can inspire bigger ideas, stronger focus, and greater success. The best computer desk drafting tables are designed for creators, professionals, students, and anyone who values comfort while working on important projects. A well-organized environment helps boost motivation, encourages productivity, and transforms everyday tasks into a more enjoyable and rewarding experience from start to finish. Number 1. Adjustable height mobile computer desk. Large desktop space 31.5 inches x 75 inches wide desktop for more workspace. Using it for simple dining table, laptop computer table, studying desk, serving table or height adjustable computer workstation. Have a high weight capacity and keep stabilization. Easy assembly. Buy with confidence. All tools, hardware and instructions are included. It is easy to install. You could use this computer workstation as a portable presentation lectern, mobile standing computer desk, laptop desk, adjustable height and easy move. This kind of mobile laptop desk can be adjusted to your ideal position from 28 inches to 35 inches. You can use the adjustable height mobile desk sitting or standing, and the mobile computer desk, which have 4 smooth wheels, can also make desk move wherever you want. With additional shelf, waterproof, non-deformation, durable, 3-layer shelf can store or decorate your desk. Allows you to put some books, plants or what you want on the desk, and also makes you feel comfortable. Store books, office supplies, and daily necessities anytime, anywhere. After sales service. If you have any questions about our products, or have any packaging damage or parts problems, please feel free to contact us for replacement or refund. Please rest assured to buy. Number 2. Laptop desk for bed couch, lap desk for laptop. Practicality. This lap desk for laptop is the separation desktop design. The left of bed desk can adjust the angle to allow us to have better vision to protect our tibia vertebra. The right of bed table is level. We can easily operate the mouse. Multi-use. This laptop desk could be used as laptop workstation for bed and couch, snacks tray, lap homework, bed table, reading and writing stand, and even portable mini picnic stand. When fold the desktop legs, adjust the desktop angle, and place it on the desktop, which could be used as a laptop stand for desk. Easy to use and portable, no assembly required. Just pull out the foldable legs and adjust the desktop angle. When not in use, fold and retreat, save space. You can put it in the back of the car when you go out, which is very convenient. Product dimension. Folded dimensions, 22 inches by 13 inches x 1 5/8. Expanded height: 22 x 13 inches x 9.85. Risk free. If you don't feel well with it, just send it back. Shopping without worry. Number 3. QZM DSM portable rolling desk on wheels. Adjustable height desks, practical multifunctional desk. It can be used as an office desk, study table, bedroom table, computer game table, writing desk, suitable for office, living room, lounge or bedroom or small apartment. 3-layer storage shelf has the characteristics of waterproof, non-deformation and durability. Contains 3 layers of shelves to store books, office supplies and storage necessities anytime and anywhere, making full use of your living and office space. Adjustable height and easy to use. The height can be changed easily and quickly, and the height can be freely adjusted between 36.4 inches. The desk legs come with rollers and weigh about 15 pounds. You can move the desk anywhere. Installs in 5 minutes. Contains clear instructions, sufficient accessories and tools. You can use the toolkit to assemble it within 5 minutes. The tabletop is waterproof and easy to clean. Professional after-sales service. If you have any questions and needs about our products, please feel free to contact us. We will provide you with a professional after-sales team to solve your problems. Please rest assured to buy. Number 4. Fissy high electric overbed table. Adjustable, sturdy build for stable use. Built with high-strength carbon steel, this adjustable laptop standing desk supports up to 66 pounds. Holding your laptop, monitor, or books steady, just like a reliable home office desk. Its wobble-free surface ensures stable support whether you use it as a standing desk for work, a bedside table for study, or a hospital tray for caregiving. The ergonomic design makes it ideal for long hours of work, gaming, or bedside use. Whisper Quiet Electric Height Adjustment Fissy High Electric Overbed Table doubles as a versatile home office desk, featuring a professional hidden motor for ultra-quiet operation. 40 decibels. Adjust the height from 28 inches to 46.9 inches, 71 to 119 cm, with 3 memory presets to switch between sitting and standing work seamlessly, whether you're using it as a bedside desk, hospital tray, or rolling standing desk for the couch. This adjustable table adapts to your ideal height in seconds, for work, meals, or relaxation. C-shaped design, space-saving workstation designed with a compact C-frame. This rolling laptop table slides easily under beds, sofas, recliners, and small desks, making it the perfect space-saving home office desk. It works not only as an overbed table for bedroom use but also as a portable standing desk, bedside care table, gaming station, or even a compact sit-stand desk for tight living rooms. Turn any corner into a comfortable workspace without taking extra room. Hidden wheels and convenient hook for mobile work. 360 degrees low-profile wheels make this rolling overbed table easy to move, so you can roll it from the bedroom to the living room or home office with ease. The handy side hook keeps headphones, bags, and accessories organized, just like a full-size standing desk. Whether you need a mobile bedside desk, a rolling laptop table for the couch, or a compact home office desk that moves with you, this table keeps your workspace tidy and flexible. Number 5. Mobile Height Adjustable Laptop Desk Space Saver. This small side table with a size of only 12 x 23 inches wide by 33 inches high, which can be located in almost any small space, put in the living room as a sofa table tightly next to the sofa and wall, or as a bedside table for a small space in the bedroom. It's all up to you. Adjust height and free rotation. Height range: 22-30. Laptop tray can be tilted 160 degrees and rotated 360 degrees. Safety: rolling laptop cart. The corners of the table and chairs have been rounded to avoid injury to you, and the laptop table bed tray with edge stopper to avoid laptop sliding down. Locked wheels includes 1-inch casters locking wheels that will allow you to use it as a nightstand to secure it at a bedside, a sofa, a recliner, or with a wheelchair, which makes it great for at home or in a hospital mobile overbed desk. Tips: please follow the instructions when installing and make sure that every screw is tightened. If you have any problems with the wheels or screws, PLS, feel free to contact us, we'll send you the replacement.